Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create painting ads commercial scene. So let's start it. First we need a circle oriented on the ZX plane. The division will be 36. The type of arc will be slice arc. Now we need subdivide. Set segment to bilinear and depth will be 3. Extracting a centroid node and running over details. Now take a wrangler. Connect the first input to the subdivide. Second will be extracted centroid. First we store the another point position. So we create a vector called ref position. The geometry with the index 1, we want the position attribute. So the point number will be 0. Basically ref post now hold the position of that points. Here we create one more vector called direction target. This calculate the direction from current position to the reference position. The normalize function make the direction of the length 1, which means it only indicate the direction without affecting the distance. Now create a vector called cross normals. Calculate the cross product of the current normal vectors and the current position vector. This result give the perpendicular to the both at the normals at the position. Normalize function is then used to ensure that the cross normal is always the unit vector. Finally update the normals by using lerp. First argument will be our cross normal and second will be direction target. The value is 0.05 that determine how much blend between two vectors or arguments. For the observation of the normal direction, enable the normal visualizer. Bias value will be changed the direction. If we want, we can change the value for more experiment. Now take a scatter and connect to circle. Then connect the attribute randomize. Attribute will be our P scale. Set the value of minimum and maximum value. This will be determine the size of the floating capsules. Now add a pop network. First input will be attribute randomize. Second will be wrangler. Go inside and set the emission type to all points. In impulsive activation, add this prompt $F == 1. This will be only emit on first frame. Off the guide tab, now add a pop wrangler. Connect the second input of the solver. In the wrangler input option, we connect to the second input for the geometry. Geometry input will be second because outside the geometry we connected to the second. I don't think so we need this much count. Come outside and decrease the force counts. First we need to create an integer called nearest points. This variable find the nearest point from the second input to the current points. Now create a vector called near points normals. Use point function to import the data. It's retrieve the normal vector and the position vector of the nearest points. So basically it's get the normal and position of the closest points. Do same for P also. Now we are updating the velocity by averaging the normal vector of the nearest points and the differences between the position of the nearest points and current points. Here we can see that animation. Then use pop drag to slow down the movements. Take pop speed limits and connect this in between. Set some decimal number for maximum speed to slow down the movements. I will go for 0.2. Go outside and take copy to points. Now we need a sphere. Type will be polygons. Frequency will be 4. In radius, y-axis will be 0.2. Connect the first input of the copy to points. Here our capsules are ready. They can float in circular form. Now connect the null after the copy to points nodes. Rename as capsules. In object 1. Now take a object merge. This is the capsule location. Now take a grid. Decrease its size according to our points. Now connect the subdivide to grid. Division depth will be 3. Grid rows and columns will be 100. Then take a attribute wrangler and create a @mass = 0. Now copy this wrangler and paste after the object merge. Here @mass will be 1 and connect to distance from geometry. Set the group type primitives to points and output attribute will be mass. Now take a color node. Group type will be ramp from attributes. Attribute will be our mass. Set the range 0 to 0.01. Set the ramp accordingly so that the circle appears wide. Now take a wrangler. Now set at the rate position plus equal at the rates our normals. Multiply with our CD. Multiply with our custom parameter. Then hit the compiler. Then set the parameter negative number like 0.05. Now add the attribute deletes and connect to colors. Enable the delete non-selected. This will delete all attributes and copy and paste attribute deletes and connect it to the wrangler. Then take a null, rename as initial, then copy this null and connect it to the second one and rename the rest. Now take DOP network, double tap and just go inside. Here we need two nodes, ripple object and ripple solver. In ripple object, make sure the use deforming object is enabled. In initial SOAP operator, please specify the location of the null initial. Similarly, provide the location for the rest that we created a few minutes ago. If we hit the play button, we can see that ripples are generated at our extruded points. Here we need to set some value. The conservation will be 0.05 and the same wave speed will be 0.05. One thing is left, come outside and add the attribute blur after the color node. Here attribute will be our CD. And set the blur iteration to 10. Then take a merge node and connect it to the DOP network in the capsule. Add a color node after the capsule and set a different color. Finally, preview the result by enable the display flag on the merge tab. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you on next one.